In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can download and install the Elden Ring on your PC or laptop. So for that case, you have to first of all open up a browser and then go ahead and open up your Steam application. So type in steam.powder.com. Type in steampowered.com and that's going to take you to the official page. So you'll have to install the Steam application on your device. So press on install from the top right and it's going to take you to the other field where you have to go ahead and tap on the install Steam button and make sure to follow the prompts and you'll have successfully installed the application. When you're done installing it, you have to go ahead and create your account, and once the account has been created, and it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on the home page, you have to go to the store from the top right, and when you do that, you'll be able to see the suggested right on this page. However, if you're unable to find it, so then you can use the search bar tool in the left hand side bar and type in the information, that is Elden Ring. And when you locate Elden Ring, you have to go ahead and press on it. It's going to take you to the info page, and here you have all of these information, and just go ahead and press on the download button and just install the exe file and all that, and you can go ahead and set up your account. So that's how you can download and install the Elden Ring on your PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.